Hey, Gabby, do you see who this is?
Were you practicing so when you have your third little? Did you see baby girl?
Congratulations, thank you.
How you doing?
He's trying to get Gabby's
How are you?
reaction.
Hi.
Hey, Zach. How are you?
Good. I'm doing good.
Oh, look at Gabby's face. Dad, don't get in front of the camera.
Can you say hi to baby
In
sister?
front of Gabby's reaction. How are you?
Baby Natalie, can you look at us?
Does she want to turn her around so she can see her face?
There she is.
Can you bring her over?
There she is. She's tiny. My baby. Is it your baby?
My baby.
Baby Natalie. She's beautiful, isn't she? Just like you. Natalie, this is Gabby. Oh. Careful, careful, careful.
She gave her a hug.
What do you think? Is she pretty?
Oh, Gina, you braided her hair.
That's my baby, Mommy.
Can she be our baby too?
Look, she's looking. Say hi, Natalie. I'm big sister Gabby.
She's not quite sure what to think
That's my baby. Here, baby.
Take a picture too, because that's all
You are so